The purpose of this lesson is to demonstrate a couple of forms of multiple selections. The first form is a pull-down list, and the second is a scrolling window. They're built about the same way. Here's the HTML. The select tag is used to build a pull-down selection. The name on the select tag is the name of the parameter that's used when it's passed to the post command. Each of these option tags has a value that can be passed as a parameter, and the string that's displayed for that selection to be made in the list. The same tag, the select tag, is used in the definition of a scrolling list. The thing that makes this one different is the specification of a size. In this example, the scrolling window is set to a size of 4 items that will be displayed at once. Notice also that this one is set to multiple, which means that you can make multiple selections from the list simultaneously. The options are all listed exactly the same way as they were before. Each one has a value that's passed as the parameter value through the post command, and the other is the option as it's displayed in the window. Now, here's how it works. Selecting this one causes the list to be pulled down, and you can select one of the members of the list. That's the one that's selected that shows up in the window as display. You can scroll the window of the other one and see what selections are available. You can select one with the mouse, but this one allows multiple selections, so holding down the Control key will allow you to make a second selection. The Select button then will issue the Post command. And here you see the list of the selections that were made. Notice that both the selected birds are included. Remember, the servlet that displays the selections will display any number of selections for a single parameter name. They all come in as separate strings, so they're both displayed here. Each select item, pull down or scrolling, has a name and one or more values that can be selected from them. And the selection comes in under the name on the select tag. Remember, these displays are rendered by a web browser, so don't expect the window to look the same for all browsers. The actual scrolling window and pull-down menu is constructed to the browser's own specifications and the way the writer of the browser liked to see it. As long as the choice is presented to the user, nothing else matters. Different browsers will display form items, especially these more complicated form items, in very different ways. You have some control over fonts and colors, but even that's iffy. Whether or not a form item has beveled edges or whatever is strictly up to the browser. Some do and some don't.